Imagine a colossal aircraft carrier, not of steel, but of ice, sailing the treacherous waters of the Atlantic during World War II. This was Project Habakkuk. Conceived by British inventor Geoffrey Pyke, this plan aimed to construct immense floating islands from a revolutionary material to combat a dire threat. In the early 1940s, German U-boats relentlessly attacked Allied convoys, disrupting vital supply lines across the Atlantic Ocean. Conventional naval defenses struggled, leaving a vast mid-Atlantic gap where Allied ships were vulnerable, far beyond the reach of land-based aircraft. It was in this desperate context that Pyke proposed his radical solution, a giant, virtually unsinkable aircraft-carrying vessel with a solid hull made of ice. Natural ice is brittle and melts quickly. To overcome this, Pyke developed Pykrete, a groundbreaking composite material. Pykrete, a mixture of water and wood pulp, proved stronger than plain ice, melted slower, and would not sink. Biologist Max Perutz perfected the formula, determining that an optimal 14% wood pulp and 86% water yielded the best structural properties. Remarkably, Pykrete could be manufactured using just 1% of the energy required to produce an equivalent mass of steel, making it incredibly efficient. In 1943, a prototype was constructed on Patricia Lake in Jasper National Park, Alberta, by conscientious objectors. This 1,000-ton prototype, kept frozen by a 1-horsepower motor, confirmed Pykrete's feasibility, but also revealed the immense cost of a full-size vessel. The final design, Habakkuk 2, envisioned a berg ship with a staggering displacement of 2.2 million tons, a true floating fortress. It would be powered by 26 electric motors, equipped with 40 dual-barreled 4.5-inch DP turrets and numerous light anti-aircraft guns for defense. The vessel was designed to house up to 150 twin-engine bombers or fighters, boast a 7,000-mile range, and withstand the largest recorded waves. Its hull, a formidable 40 feet thick, was intended to be torpedo-proof, a testament to its unprecedented defensive capabilities. Lord Mountbatten famously demonstrated Pykrete's properties to Winston Churchill by dropping a block into his bathwater, where it refused to melt. He also shot at blocks of regular ice and Pykrete, proving Pykrete's superior resistance to impact. Despite its innovative promise, Project Habakkuk faced several insurmountable challenges, ultimately leading to its cancellation. The increasing range of land-based aircraft and the deployment of smaller escort carriers significantly reduced the strategic need for such massive floating islands. The project's estimated cost soared to £2.5 million, deemed impractical, especially given the enormous production resources required. Issues like cold flow, where the Pykrete would slowly deform under its own weight, and the need for even more steel reinforcement further complicated its development. The prototype on Patricia Lake took 3 hot summers to completely melt, leaving its metal components sunken to this day, a silent relic of a grand ambition. Despite its ultimate failure, Project Habakkuk stands as a remarkable testament to the innovative and unconventional thinking that defined World War II.